What's up, guys? Today figured I would shoot a short video with this air fryer. Got some andouille Cajun style sausages with chicken and feta, and got quite a few of them in there, so I'm gonna go ahead, click power off because I was cooking something else. Alright, so first off, I wanted to say the Power XL, the older one, the 5.3 quart, it's the same interface, and the new 7 quart one they have, it's just a changed user interface. So what we're going to do is just tap power, and then we're going to go ahead and select menu, and we're going to select steak for grill, 400, we'll leave it at that, and then 12 minutes. But what we're going to go ahead and do is check it at maybe about 6 minutes. Alright, so I'm gonna give these a check because I checked the package. It said 8 to 10 minutes. So we're right at 8 minutes. I'm gonna pull them out, see how they look. Oh yeah, she's cooking up. So let me give these a flip. Alright, so she'll start up again. And we'll give it another about 3 minutes. Alright, so we're at 6 minutes. Let's take a look at them. Looking pretty nice. Alright, so we're gonna push this back in, let it run for another 2 minutes and see where we're at. Alright, so we're at 4 minutes. And I'm gonna say those andouilles are done. Let's take them out. These are the fetas. They could be in a little bit. Okay, so we're gonna give this another 2 minutes. Alright, so we're at 2 minutes. Take a look at the chicken and feta, and these things are gonna be done. So my steaks, that says 12 minutes. I do a steak 3 minutes one side, 4 minutes on the other side, and that comes out perfectly for like a medium well for me on my grill. So the andouilles here, that took 8 minutes, and the chicken took 10. So if I was to do these in the oven, they're about 20 minutes, and those things look good. They're done. Nice. I like to poke them, you know, just like my steak. If the steak is firm as that, steak's perfectly done. I let it rest for 5 minutes, and then it's good to eat. So let's cook some hot dogs up. Same thing. We're gonna put them in. Use the grill setting steak. So we got what, 2 minutes left. Put them on for the 2 minutes, and I don't know, maybe we'll cook them for another 2 minutes, see where that's at. I'd rather undercook it and then add some time instead of overcooking it and ruining the meal. Alright, so she just finished up with 2 minutes, and now what it's doing is cooling down that heating element, and you're gonna hear 5 beeps. Alright, so after the 5 beeps, we're just gonna pull that out. We're gonna take a look at them. Now, to me, I think they could be done a little bit more, so I'm gonna stick them in probably another, I'm gonna say maybe about 2 minutes. So we'll do that, press power on, menu, go back to the steak, and this time we're gonna reduce the time 2 minutes, and then that'll automatically start. Alright, so that's the end of the 2 minutes. Let this thing beep. Alright, so I can hear them things sizzling, and they are done. So those look good. Looks like they came off the grill. Very happy with that. I'm going to be standing out in the cold ass weather. And we'll get a shot of this basket back. So drippings are in there. That's what I like to see. And there you go, some hot dogs and sausages. Looks like they came off the grill. Very nice, nice crisp skin. Alright, so what I would recommend, you know, to pick up if you don't have them already, some silicone tongs, because that does have a coating on and you don't want metal on metal. So I made a hamburger too, and same deal. Steak, and I left it in for 6 minutes, flipped it, and then left it in for another 4 minutes, and that's done to me. Looks good. Broke it open so you guys could see. Taste test.
Oh, we got the grill plate.
Really good. It's not greasy. All the grease went down. I did opt to get the grill plate, and it should what's gonna happen is this grill plate is gonna sit inside this basket here, and you want to take that drip pan or crisper pan, the way they call it, out. And the only thing that grill plate does is elevate the food up to that element up inside, so you get more of a grill type taste, grill type look to it. So with that said, the cook times will change from, you know, 8 minutes, 10 minutes, 4 minutes. And then same thing with the burger. It's going to change from like 10 minutes down, because you're elevating that food up next to that burner. It's going to cook faster, so keep that in mind if you get one.